Hello Crystal Souls, this is me, Suave the Crystal Guardian, and I'm so happy today to present my next video. Thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thanks for enjoying from the information I'm gonna give you. Thanks for most of all, thanks for appreciating my efforts to share my experience with you all. So today I'm gonna talk about amazing stone, amazing mineral, which combines two of the very important crystals ever: jasper, red jasper, and epidote, from the Greek word epidosis, which means growing together. So of course I'm talking about the unakite. You see what a powerful stone, what beautiful stone is this, and how amazing is this stone is. It is actually a wonderful healer stone, and it helps me really to bring myself together. You know, epidosis means growing together or bring things together, which is a wonderful, you know. So the unakite helps a lot for removing the obstacles from your spiritual growth. There is a lot of obstacles like anger, like insult, like a hurt, like disappointment. All this negative energy can be obstacles for our spiritual growth, and this is very bad, especially if you live in anger, because the anger is actually very bad energy which prevents us to go further in our spiritual growth. As we say, the soul to go further to the sun, because we are part of the light, and all those hurt, insults, and anger, and so on, are just bad energy preventing us from the spiritual growing. And unakite helps we to start learn from ourselves, to start look into ourselves, to know where is our deepest and darkest depths in our souls, so we can take it out. So the unakite is a wonderful stone for us developing more like spiritual beings and go more on the side of the light. By the way, this is my pendant from unakite. Can you see that? It is beautiful and it is wonderful when I'm wearing it, because it helps me to shine more, to shine like a sun. You know, the soul is the part of the sun. One day when our physical death occurs to us, our soul is coming back to the light, and we need to learn to not to have those obstacles into our journey. So also, the unakite fasten the change and transformations, especially when you have a change, big change coming to your life, or transformation, the death of old you. The unakite can encourage and fasten those changes. And this is amazing, because I can see by my life, which is changing very soon, that wearing unakite gives me the courage to accept this change, to accept my new me, the new aspect of me, to go further for the love, for the better spiritual growth, and for the better personal growth of me, to be with somebody I love. And the unakite helped me to realize and to understand the price of this change, and it is such a wonderful stone, and I can say I never regret working with it. The unakite also works like a surgeon, energy surgeon. It locates your bad energy into your body, or the bad energy into the organs. Anywhere where you have a bad energy, the unakite locate it and act like surgeon. It takes out your negative energy and remove it from your body or from your soul, and it prevents the developing of the future diseases. And what I want to say is that the unakite is killing the vibratory rates of this negative energy, and killing the vibratory rates, it can weaken and take out the negative energy which is into your body. Also, the Unakite is wonderful for pregnant women who still wear their embryo, because every pregnant woman can be a very easy object of psychical attacks or curses or bad eyes, and the Unakite, it can get like a wonderful protector against those. It builds the shield, and it builds the vibratory rate. It heightens the vibratory rates, so your body to be enough to protect itself from those negative energy, especially for the pregnant woman. The Unakite regenerate the muscle system, regenerate also the cells. The Unakite can help you to find something lost, and it's enough. You just start to meditate with Unakite, and you just ask for the lost object, and it can give you the answer. It never happened to me, but from what I know from friends of mine, the Unakite can really help you to find something lost. And not only into literal meaning, it's also into the spiritual meaning. If you are lost, if you lost some doubt, if you lost something in your memory, if you lost something which is very important to you in all the meanings, what I mean and I'm saying, the Unakite can help you through meditation find whatever you lost. It can also help you to amplify the memory. When you have a problem with your memory, when you have problem to remember things easily, the Unakite can help you find the path to the lost piece of your memory, to the lost puzzle in your memory. Isn't this wonderful stone? It can help you also to connect the heart with your mind. And when you need to get some serious decision, if you need to speak out about something from your emotional state, or it requires your emotions, that Unakite connects the spirit with the mind and the heart. So, wonderful stone, and this is my experience with this wonderful stone. So, don't hesitate and go out and buy this stone and start working right away with it, because you are not gonna regret knowing and understanding this stone like a part of your crystal journey, a crystal development. So I recommend you this stone very highly, and I hope you can listen to my advice. So thank you for watching, thanks for listening to my experience with this wonderful stone, and I hope that you have a wonderful week and wonderful beginning of the summer, and just be healthy, happy, and most of all, don't forget to smile. Bye bye, see you next time. Namaste, guys.